Come on now. Be messing around. Got something. Yeah. Got a little stripe, got a little hybrid there. That's a hybrid. We should have brought the daggone cooler. Oh, hybrid. 10-gram jig. Alright, golly, hit it with a vengeance. Gosh, he hit it with a vengeance. Coming just off this little shoal here, you can see where the water's calm and then it gets rough again. That's where he hit it. Oh, it came off. That gum, it came off. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. So it's kind of like a flutter jig, except it's just assist hooks instead of treble hooks or whatever. There he is. Every single fish has been a white bass or a stripe or a hybrid. Every single one's been a hybrid. Every single one. Hybrids. Man, we got something, fellas. Okay, we got... Definitely got something, yeah, gosh. Catching a bunch of these little hybrids, man. White bass. It's a white bass. We're gonna have to import these, man. This is working, man. Golly, this is working. These are working. Yep, got another one. Them baby stripes are bedding right here. Oh, that's a white bass there. It looks like a little hybrid white bass. They're all either in the top of the mouth or in the corner of the mouth. Nice ones. That right there. Probably gonna start bringing these in from overseas. I like them. It's an Asian style jig. It works.